marker and push it. Any part. Okay, so when you have information, you can make better choices. Hi everybody, I'm Hazel, the Israelite woman, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about weight loss and unrealistic expectations. So many people out there want to lose weight, but the biggest problem they're facing is they have really unrealistic expectations. So what am I talking about when I say unrealistic expectations? So let me explain that to you. They want results and they want it now, okay? They want to lose weight in a week, in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks. But the reality is this is not really going to happen. I mean, you have to be, if you want to lose a certain amount of weight in 3 weeks, that means you have to be exercising like 4 hours each day for 3 weeks straight. And yeah, you're definitely going to lose weight. But as you and I know, that's not going to happen, right? For real. We have families, we have responsibilities, we have jobs. I mean, who's going to do that? You know what I mean? You're not like a rich person who has billions of dollars and you have your own company and you can afford to do that, right? No, we're you know, most people are not in that category. Just a very small number of people can afford to do that. So that's what I'm talking about. Let's be real and realistic here. All right? If you're going to start a weight loss journey, it's going to take a period of time. For real. Okay? Don't expect to lose a certain amount of weight in a week or 2 weeks or in a month. Sorry, that's not going to happen. So have realistic expectations. And I'm making this video because at one point I had some unrealistic expectations myself. So I can talk about that. Now, my first, second, and third child, it was very easy for me to lose weight. It didn't take much exercise for me to lose weight, right? And I just had to tweak my diet just a little bit. And I mean, I lost weight pretty quickly. I mean, I'm not saying it was so easy that I had to do like a small amount of things. It took time, it took patience and sacrifice so to lose the weight, but it was not very difficult, to be honest. Now, when I got to my 4th child and my 5th child, now I had to make a lot of effort because you know why? The weight wasn't coming up. And you know why? I had some really unrealistic expectations, right? So with my 4th child, I was like 185, 190. And with my 4th child, I was 197, 198. And with my 5th child, I was like 180. And mind you, my weight is usually 135 or 140. Okay? So, I was like, what is happening here? I was stuck. I wasn't going anywhere. For 1 whole year after I had my 4th child, I was 168 pounds. And I was mad about that. But I had some unrealistic expectations. I was like, you know what? I want to lose that weight and I want to lose that weight in a couple of months and that's what I'm going to do. So you know what I did? I exercised like crazy, right? I went jogging 3 days a week. I exercised for 1 hour, sometimes an hour and a half every single day, right? I was just like a machine, right? I lift weight like 3 or 4 times a week. I did aerobics. I swam. I swim. You know, I was just extra active. And you know what? I was super hungry all the time. I was always hungry because I'm exercising so much, and I guess I was not eating enough because I just didn't want to have all these calories. I just wanted to lose that weight and get rid of it. And once I get rid of the weight, I was gonna eat more. I was eating a healthy diet, but for me, I don't think I was taking in enough calories, right? My body was just burning and burning and burning calories. But then I guess my body was compensating because it's saying, what's happening here? I'm burning all these calories and she's not giving me enough calories. So I guess I was losing inches of my body, but my weight, sometimes I'll just lose 1 pound, 1.5 pounds. So up and down, that's how it went. And I was very frustrated. And I'm like, what is happening here? I'm exercising like a beast, like a maniac. And why am I not losing weight? Right? Because I was stressing myself. I was stressing my body. Most of the time, I'm quite sore when I exercise. Some morning when I get up, I'm like, oh, I'm trying to do some sit-ups or something that I was like, I'm crying out in pain. Because I was just working my body too hard. And my body was under stress. So because of my unrealistic expectations, it was under stress. And my body was just like talking to me, but I wasn't even paying attention to my body. It was saying, hey, Hazel, hey, you are working me too hard. Stop. But I wasn't listening, okay? Because I had such unrealistic expectation, because you know why? This was my expectation right here, okay? I wanted to look like this, okay? I wanted to be back to a size 3, 4 again, okay? So this was my expectation. And at that point, I was not going to get to this in a couple of months. I had like 30 something pounds to lose, like 38 to 40 pounds to lose, and that was